at Stepp's Towing. They do a phenomenal job. They've been a great partner and teammate on the towing side. They're with us every week. So
dang it. Unbelievable.
And there was some replay here on Speaker TV. These balls, hard balls, and right now, they're super barriers, so they got to get to them there.
For that guy, he's an incredible promoter, fabulous race car.
I thought that was an 11 lap race, not 4. Oh, you got a piece of the logo. Oh my gosh, my truck. I'm so sad. Pulls up, Stepp's Towing pulls up, and we got to smoke them. Right now, I'm calling out Stepp's Towing. Get your fastest truck. When our rollback's done, Jeremy, bring yours out. You're done, bud.
And it's your 2 favorite tow truck drivers, Cleet and Squirrel. Dang right!
Still in position. Let's go back to Jeff Striegel and Alex Henry.
Oh, this is so good right here. This is.
Can he not just push it with another truck or?
It's a good-looking car. We're gonna put it on display, Marty.
Rick, you gotta love the Martinsville fans. They're literally in 1 and 2 cheering the tow truck about to tow the pace car.
Backup pace car. Of course you have a backup.
There it is.
Pace
There's a backup pace car. So, old Tahoe is friggin' ripping it. I didn't think a Tahoe could go this hard. That's going in the house.
And and a lot of rain this morning has made things very muddy in the infield.
We need to
Well, we're going to need
tow
a bigger
the tow truck out of the grass.